Huh? Marcus? Body? Coding? Live! Yes, we are live. Cha-ching. Remember, no footwork every day. You see, we do no excuses. And today, air basic. 2. Are you ready? Watch first for yourself. Then we practice together. Let's go. From the side, notice the air. Let's go. Yeah, this is the move. Air basic 2. Ready to do it together? Remember, no excuses. Cha-ching. Let's go. We'll do it on the grass or on the floor or wherever you are. You can start with the left or with the right, doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We go with the left to the side. Step, tap, down with the right. Step, tap. Now, we take the left forward, not touching the floor. No, up, yeah, in the air. And we slide it to the back, going on our right toes. Slide and go on the right. You see, I go on the toes. Yes. Now the same with the right. Let's go. We step, we tap, we step, we tap. We put the leg forward, not touching the floor. We slide it, and the left leg goes on the toes. Let's go. Shh. Yeah. Now again with the left. We step, tap, step, tap, leg forward, and we slide to the back in the air and going on the toes on the right. Now with the right, let's go. Step, tap, step, tap, leg forward in the air, yeah, and slide that backward, going on the toes and switching the weight. Last time, let's go. Step, tap, step, tap, leg to the front, slide to the back on the right toes. Yeah. Step, tap, leg forward in the air, sliding to the back and going on the toes. Yes! Now, let's do it face to face. You're still here, right? Of course, let's do it now face to face. I want to see you. And specifically this move, you need to see it also face to face. Because when you see it from up, it can be a little bit confusing. But no excuses, let's go. We do it from the front, then from the side. Let's go. First is easy, with the left. We step, we tap, we step, we tap. Now we take the left foot forward, not touching the floor, and we slide to the back, at the same time going on our toes. Yeah, on our toes. Look. We slide and go on the toes. Yeah. Now with the right. Step, tap, leg forward, slide to the back, and go on the toes. Again. Step, tap, leg forward, slide to the back on the toes. Step, tap, leg forward, slide to the back. Let's do it from the side. We start, let's go. Step, tap, leg forward, not touching the floor. Up, leg forward. We do this motion in the air and go on the toes at the same time. Yeah. Step, tap, leg forward. Slide to the back, go on the toes. Last time, let's go. Step, tap, leg forward, slide to the back. Step, tap, leg forward, slide to the back. Yes, this is the move. This is the groove. The name is Air Basic 2. So if you are the serious student and you want to practice with me this move in the studio for free, forever for free, what can you do about it? Check the link above, below, to the sides. Or if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio and search for the Air Basic playlist, the Air Basic family, Air B. And this specific move is Air B number 2. Yes, the second in the playlist. Yeah, so meet me in the full tutorial. But either way, I remind you, what do we do here? This is Marcus Body coding. Yes, coding. I'm a proud nerd, so we code things here. Why do we code? So you can use these moves as universal moves. Yes, we code universal moves so you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Ching, salsa, bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, rumba, hip hop, any kind of dance that you want. Yes, and by the way, salsa, you can do it on 1 or on 2. Why? Because you can start with the right or with the left. The moves are symmetrical. Yes, and for the same reason, it doesn't matter if you're doing the men's step or the women's step. You can either way do them because you can start with the right or with the left. Yeah. And most importantly, do this move today. Why? Because the more you have no footwork, of course, no footwork every day. More goose body coding lie. So, let's meet tomorrow here in the park. For no footwork. See you tomorrow.